Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi dynamic espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because no water was coming out through the group head or through the spouts. And that was a water pump. The water pump on the machine was stuck in the motion valve that is inside the water pump was stuck and it was not pushing any water through there. We we went to the back of the machine and we hit the water pump, unlocked the motion valve, and the water pump started pushing water to the whole system. We tested it with the verifying grind as well as the hot water and other functions of the machine, and we noticed that the machine was performing the way it's supposed to. So it was just stuck. The water pump was just stuck. We unstuck it and that's it. We also did a cleaning descaling cycle because we noticed some scale build up on the water tank and some other parts of the machine. So we did the whole descaling cycle and now this is where we're at. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're testing out this machine. Then we're gonna be running a little bit of hot water through there.
People do really interesting artistic things.
They just insert their right wing stuff.
Oh, and now it's going to extract coffee, going into the pre-infusion, and now to extraction phase. And as you can see, that steady stream coming out through the spouts looks great. Excellent crema on top of that. Espresso working really, really good.
But I don't put a lot of effort into it. Like, he's doing a video right now.
Nice and pretty.
Well, I mean, he does a pretty good job.
Really good
But,
shot of espresso.
but we don't, like, tell people how to fix machines.
And now we can do a little bit of hot water. And as you can see, also in the steady stream coming out of the one, no errors, working the way it's supposed to. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Dynamica working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for replaying Mechanic Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.
I mean,